It's a 2016 Chrysler 200. Drive proud. Drive the all-American Chrysler 200. It's in a class of one. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, sport suspension, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS Top Safety Pick. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.